Hello friends, my name is Rodia. Today we are going to learn how to create a spiral design in Python. So first, you have to open VS Code. After that you write import turtle. And then you have to write colors equal to then you have to write the colors you want to use. And if you don't know what colors all of the colors you can use in Python, then you'll have to go to this website. So you just have to write trinket.io /docs/colors. Then it will open the website. And you can click on a color to see. Then you can click on a color to see its name. Like, let's say that you want the second one to be crime sun, and the third one is going to be so make sure you write 6 colors. So after you're finished with all of the colors, then you'll have to write sketch is equal to turtle dot turtle. So after that you'll have to write turtle.bg color black. So after that we'll write for I in range $300. Then you will write sketch dot pen color colors I percentage 6. And then we are going to write sketch dot width I /200 /2 So after that, we'll have to write sketch dot forward I. Then you write sketch dot left /59. After that, you'll save it and then click on terminal and click new terminal. After that, you're going to write Python spiral .py or whatever the name of your file is. Then after that it should open Turtle, then you should see, and then you should see that it is creating a spiral. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell